Oh.
Okay. And how about trends, Joyce?
Trend. Okay. A trend. General tendency or direction.
Right. General tendency or direction. Yeah. So you can have fashion trends, right? What people wear, different kinds of trends. Can you think of an example or make a sentence?
Okay. The river turns east.
Now, could you say that again? Sorry.
Okay. The river turns east.
Okay.
Trend, you mean fashionable? You wear it?
Yeah, trend. Yeah, trend is kind of more, something popular, right, for people.
Okay. David wear a tan clothes. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. If you want to use it as an adjective, you can say trendy.
Trendy. Okay.
Yeah. So Davis wears trendy clothes.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. I look very handsome today, don't I?
But I think they have to control they have to control or protect it. So maybe they can earn a lot of money by those natural resources, but I think they still have ability to protect our natural resources.
Right. Okay. Yeah, and they should find a good way for mining, so it doesn't have such an impact on the environment.